A Allison MD 3060 automatic transmission. This is in a pusher bus, Thomas HTX, and what happened, the turbine speed sensors failed. And that's internal, so you have to drop the module. It's 50 pounds, so you got to use the tranny jack, and then we got it on the bench. You see the valve body, we've got it all back together. We had to clean it up, and that's the turbine speed sensor right there. So it's a matter of just doing the re and replacing the seals, gaskets, and back in place. There's 32 bolts, and including the oil filters. And with these transmissions, you have to remove and install the bolts by hand. So use the impact, it wears out the threads, and you got to do heating coils. It's aluminum threads, so we've got this jig that we use to repair the threads. It's a bit of a pain, it's kind of time-consuming job, so we just use a speed wrench and go that route. But once we get this all completely back together, we'll slap it back in, go on a road test, and we got the Allison dock software to do the diagnostics and make sure the code is gone.